Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable camera in Omegle application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, tap and open Omegle application on your device. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, you can see video button at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and you will get a prompt for allowing the camera. Click on allow button. So that is how you can allow camera on Omegle. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.